Hello and welcome to this video for the Cambridge Science Centre's evening adult event, Do You Like What You See? This was the third in our series of events all about perception, and at this event we brought together members of the public, clinicians and researchers to get hands-on with science and find out how we perceive our bodies.
We've been demonstrating something called the mirror box illusion. It's a very simple perceptual illusion where you just take an ordinary household bathroom mirror and you align it with the person's body midline. And when they look into the mirror with their hands on either side, they get the visual experience that what they're seeing is a direct view of the hand behind the mirror, even though what they're actually seeing is the mirror reflection of their other hand. And what this lets us do is create dissociations between the visual and the tactile modalities, because, for example, we could touch different fingers on the two hands, and then they would get the visual experience of, for example, their index finger being touched, coupled with the tactile experience of, for example, their little finger being touched. And that's a sort of discrepancy which is interesting to us, experimentally as psychologists, but which we couldn't ordinarily do for obvious reasons.
It sounded like an amazing event because I'm researching a show called Look at Me, all about body image and self-perception. And I myself have struggled with the eating disorders throughout my life and been sectioned for them, and been a variety of sizes, very small, very big, and I'm very fascinated by the dissonance between how we can feel internally and how we're perceived externally. So body dysmorphic disorder is something that really interests me, and I'm hoping to find out more about that tonight.
I think we shouldn't kind of lie to ourselves. I think we all care about how we look, and I think it is really important. So we are not going to say, okay, it's about being fake or something like that. It is important, and we all do all sorts of things to look nice. However, if you have a serious kind of problem or an illness regarding your body image, then it means that you are actually taking all sorts of actions. You change your behavior in order to look better, or so to speak, and which is a huge difference.
I think the Photoshop was quite an eye-opener, particularly as you can sort of see what people can do with photos without even using Photoshop, and then actually the whole new level of what you can then do as well is amazing, and it just really makes you realise that nothing that you see in the media is real.
To find out more about our other events in the Perception series at the Cambridge Science Centre, head to www.cambridgesciencecentre.org. This event was supported by the Wellcome Trust.